time when snow lay on the border, there came a troop of soldiers here to take up their winter quarters. With me rightful lady, daddy.
I think there's if you like, a climate at the moment which is really good for Irish music, as it is for a lot of other musics or ethnic musics from around the world. I mean, the whole world music movement has been happening for the last few years, and I think that in that context, Irish music is quite strong because it's in a very healthy state. You were asking earlier, was it alive? It sure is.
That she would come to the quarter gates when no one